Hello, welcome to week 20 of the Jamaican Gal Better For Me challenge, or using the Jamaican Proverbs Journal. And this week challenge says, wanna kill your fatten. Our longer one is wanna kill your fatten you, which means what doesn't kill you fattens you, or when you endure difficulty without dying, you always emerge stronger than before. And this week's activity is asking you 3 times you thought you wouldn't survive hard times. Have your friends been through the same situation? How did you feel when you're going through this hard time? What did you learn about yourself? Did you find something about yourself that, even though I'm going through this hard time, I am resilient, I'm strong, I have this never give up attitude? Have you changed since then? What are you doing to mitigate against hard times? Which is very, very important. And you're going to rank this behavior, right? Execute 3 actions to mitigate risks. So if you know that you are consistently having hard times, I think self-reflection is very important. And when you find find that common denominator, why is it that you're continuously having a hard time, then you go and you fix that, okay? See you next time for the Jamaican Proverbs Challenge.